Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a compatible auto-clicker app, administrative permissions, and the target window set to foreground. Open the app now and choose a profile, mouse, or interval mode because that determines precision. Once done, set the click type and interval. Shorter intervals speed actions but may trigger detection. Make sure to define the click location using crosshair or coordinates and save this as Profile 1. Run a short test on a harmless app to verify behavior before continuing now. You now map the action sequence, record or script clicks, include delays, and insert conditional pauses to match application response. Use relative coordinates when the window can move versus absolute for fixed positions. Once recorded, edit the timeline to remove redundant clicks and tighten intervals where safe. This reduces run time and collision risk. Make sure to enable repeat count or duration. Looping for a set time is safer than infinite runs. Test with visuals on, observe mouse movement, and adjust until consistent. To run and finalize, set Start hotkey, confirm focus is on target, then trigger the auto clicker and watch closely. Once finished, stop with the hotkey and save the run log or profile for future reuse. If performance stalls, pause and inspect CPU usage, background overlays, or permission blocks. These commonly interrupt clicks. Make sure to disable conflicting utilities like remote control tools. Troubleshooting tip: if clicks miss, reduce interval by 1 step and switch to higher privilege mode. That single change resolves most timing and permission failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.